Let's take a look at how we can dump and harvest safe usernames and passwords from the Google Chrome browser. Let's create an entry first in the Google Chrome browser password manager. Alright, now let's run this Python script to dump it. As shown in the screen, this is working on the latest version of Google Chrome browser and Windows machine. Now let's take a look at how we were able to achieve this. First of all, it is not as straightforward as before when you will be able to obtain the encryption key and decrypt the safe passwords right away, as described in this article over here. This was published a few years back. Google has updated the Chrome browser and this no longer works. This improvement has introduced new hurdles that must be overcome before you can dump credentials again. If you are interested in how it works on the finer detail, this YouTube video is strongly recommended. It explains very well the improvements made by Google and how you can still dump credentials. On a high level, the process that you are dumping the credentials in must be elevated, and it must be from a Chrome process itself. You must also first call the Win32 DP API to retrieve the encrypted key from the Windows machine. Now let's hop over to the Python script that was demonstrated. The script that was executed was based off this GitHub repository over here. As shown in the screen, the Python script dumps the cookie value instead of the password that was demonstrated. Ideally, cookie is much better as you will be able to bypass the requirements of multi-factor authentication (MFA), but there is a chance that the cookie might be expired. Here are the differences between the original script, which is supposed to dump the cookie, versus the one that was executed, which dumped the password instead. Out of the box, the script didn't work for me due to some file access violation error. It was due to the client connection being terminated too fast before the functions are executed. Adding in a few time slip delays were able to solve this issue. The main differences would be the cookie file and the password file were different files, and the returning of the decrypted cookie and the password should be different as well. For cookie, the first 32 bits were excluded as they are not part of the cookie value. For passwords, there is no need for that. Alright all, a very short video to demonstrate that it is still possible and somewhat easy to dump safe credentials on the latest Google Chrome browser running on a Windows machine. Do check out the video's description as all of the references used and shown will be provided in it. If you are interested in learning about hacking a Windows Active Directory domain network environment, here is a playlist available on my YouTube channel where it contains 4 episodes showcasing the attack techniques, tactics, and procedures commonly used by an attacker in a Windows domain network Active Directory. It has hands-on technical demonstration of attacks such as cracked map exec, bloodhound, how to perform network pivoting, and many others. On my Udemy page, I have a free introductory course that explains the core concept of phishing as well. This course is 100% completely free and it showcases the common approaches and tools to phishing and what attackers aim to achieve in phishing attacks, such as harvesting credentials or convincing a victim to click on a malicious payload. The link to the resources will be provided in the video's description, so be sure to check them out. Here is a quick shout out to everyone who have donated to my channel so far. Thank you, and I really appreciate it a lot. I hope you have found the video to be useful. Please help to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will really help out the channel a lot. Thanks all, I will see you all soon in the next one. Bye.